In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to provide a download link to a file in HubSpot so your audience can access your content instantly. Start by going to the Marketing tab, then hover over Files and Templates and click on Files. This will open the File Manager where all your uploaded files are stored. Next, find the file you want to share. You can use the search bar or filters if you have a lot of files. Once you've located your file, hover over it and click the three dots menu on the right side. Then select Copy URL or Get File URL. This will copy the direct download link to your clipboard. You can also click on the file itself to open its details and then use the Copy URL option from there. Now, paste this link wherever you want people to download the file. You can add it to emails, buttons on landing pages, blog posts, or anywhere in your content. When someone clicks the link, the file will either download automatically or open in their browser depending on the file type. And that's it. You've successfully created a download link in HubSpot, making it easy to share files with your audience quickly and professionally.